Good day everyone. I am Ma'am Lira, your TLE teacher. Today, we are going to learn about the different kitchen utensils. Allow me to explain to you the most essential learning competency. Identify the uses of the different kitchen utensils. Objectives. State the definition of utensils and equipment. Identify the different cooking utensils and equipment. Explain the uses of the different cooking utensils and equipment. Let's now move on to the definition of terms. Kitchen. Room especially set apart and containing the necessary utensils for cooking food. Equipment. The necessary items for a particular purpose. Utensil. An implement, container, or other article, especially for household use. A small handheld tool used for food preparation. Common kitchen tasks include cutting food items to size, heating food on an open fire or on a stove, baking, grinding, mixing, blending, and measuring. Let's now move on to the different kitchen utensils. The first one is baster. A baster or basting brush is handy for returning some of the meat or poultry juices from the pan back to the food. Basting brushes can be used for the same purpose, but they are also convenient for buttering the tops of breads and baked goods after they come out of the oven. Cans, bottles, cartons opener is used to open a food tin, preferably with a smooth operation and comfortable grip and turning knob. Colanders, also called a vegetable strainer. It is essential for various tasks from cleaning vegetables to straining pasta or tin contents. Cutting board, a wooden or plastic board where meats and vegetables can be cut. Dredgers, it is used to shake flour, salt, and pepper on meat, poultry, and fish. Double boiler, used when temperatures must be kept below boiling point, such as for egg sauces, puddings, and to keep foods warm without overcooking. Emery boards or sharpening steel, used to sharpen long knives. Flipper, used for turning hamburgers and other food items. Funnels, used to fill jars, made of various sizes of stainless steel, aluminum, or of plastic. Garlic press is a kitchen tool which is specifically designed for the purpose of pulping garlic for cooking. Graters, used to grate, shred, slice, and separate foods such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese. Handy poultry and roasting tools makes it easier to lift a hot roasted turkey from the roaster to the serving platter without it falling apart. Kitchen knives, often referred to as cook's or chef's tools, Knives are a must for all types of kitchen tasks, from peeling an onion and slicing carrots to carving a roast or turkey. Kitchen shears. They are practical for opening food packages, cutting tape or string to package foods, or simply to remove labels or tags from items. Other cutting tools such as box cutters are just as handy, especially for opening packages. Measuring cups and measuring spoons are among the most important items found in any kitchen, since consistently good cooking depends upon accurate measurements. Measuring tools should be standardized. Measuring cups and spoons are also in the home kitchen. Scales are used to weigh materials of bigger volumes. These are delicate and precision instruments that must be handled carefully and are more dependable in terms of accuracy. Potato masher, used for mashing cooked potatoes, turnips, carrots, or other soft cooked vegetables. Rotary egg beater, used for beating a small amount of eggs or butter. The beaters should be made up of stainless steel and gear driven for ease in rotating. Scraper, a rubber or silicone tools to blend or scrape the food from the bowl, metal, silicone, or plastic egg turners or flippers. Seafood serving tools make the task of cleaning seafood and removing the shell much easier. For cooking seafood, utensils will vary depending on what you are cooking. Serving spoons, a utensil consisting of a small, shallow bowl on a handle, used in preparing, serving, or eating food. Serving tongs enables you to more easily grab and transfer larger food items, poultry or meat portions to a serving platter, to a hot skillet or deep fryer, or to a plate. It gives you a better grip, and the longer the tongs, the better, especially when used with a deep fryer, a large stock pot, or at the barbecue. Soup ladle is used for serving soup or stews, but can also be used for gravy, dessert, sauces, or other foods. A soup ladle also works well to remove or skim off fat from soups and stews. Spoon, solid, slotted, or perforated, made of stainless steel or plastic. The solid ones are used to spoon liquids over foods and to lift foods, including the liquid, out of the pot. Temperature scales, used to measure heat intensity. Different thermometers are used for different purposes in food preparation, for meat, candy, or deep fat frying. Other small thermometers are hanged or stand in ovens or refrigerators to check the accuracy of the equipment's thermostat. Two-tine fork, used to hold meats while slicing and to turn solid pieces of meat while browning or cooking. Made of stainless steel and with heat-proof handle. Vegetable peeler, used to scrape vegetables such as carrots and potatoes and to peel fruits. The best ones are made of stainless steel with sharp double blade that swivels. Whisks for blending, mixing used for whipping eggs or butter, and for blending gravies, sauces, and soups. The beaters are made of looped steel piano wires which are twisted together to form the handle. The last kitchen utensil that I'm going to discuss is the wooden spoons. Wooden spoons continue to be kitchen essentials because of their usefulness. They are used for creaming, stirring, and mixing. They should be made of hardwood. Since we're done with the different kitchen utensils, let's now explore the different kitchen equipment. Let's now define kitchen equipment. More complicated tools are called equipment. They may refer to a small electrical appliance such as a mixer or a large, expensive, power-operated appliance such as a range or a refrigerator. Equipment like range, ovens, refrigerators, conventional, convection, and microwave are mandatory pieces in the kitchen or in any food establishment. Refrigerators or freezers are necessary in preventing bacterial infections from foods. Most refrigerators have special compartments for meat, fruits, and vegetables to keep the moisture content of each type of food. Butter compartment holds butter separately to prevent food odors from spoiling its flavor. Basically, refrigerator or freezer is an insulated box equipped with refrigeration unit and a control to maintain the proper inside temperature for food storage. Auxiliary equipment like griddles, tilting skillets, broilers, grills, steamers, coffee makers, deep fat fryers, wok, crockery, cutting equipment, meat slicer, food choppers, grinders, mixers and bowls, pot and pans are utilized most commonly in big food establishments, some with specialized uses and some are optional. Microwave ovens have greatly increased their use in the food industry. Foods can be prepared ahead of time, frozen or refrigerated during the slot periods, and cooked or heated quickly in microwave ovens. Blenders are used to chop, blend, mix, whip, puree, grate, and liquefy all kinds of food. A blender is a very useful appliance. They vary in the amount of power, voltage, or wattage. Others vary and do not do the same jobs. Thank you for watching this video lesson. I hope you have learned a lot about different kitchen utensils and equipment. See you again!